Allow me on behalf of the Sports Ministry of Busoga Kingdom, welcome you once again, as I also thank you for the tasks that you handle that always bring us limelight as Busoga Kingdom. We have just a very simple task here to inform you that on Saturday, 20th December this year, we are going to start our MTN Busoga Masaza Cycling Championship, 3rd edition, 2025. As usual, we have two categories, the mountain bikes and the tipper bikes, call it Manigachifuba. On Saturday, we are starting with the 2 counties, that is Vuna and Vuna Numba. Then 21st, which is a Sunday, we are going to have Chiguru and Bukoli. Monday 22nd, we shall have Luka and Bulamoji. 23rd, we shall have Butembe and Bugabula Bibi. On 24th, we are going to have 3 counties, because you are aware we have 11 counties, and that is Bukono, call it the mighty Bukono, Busiki, and Bugweri. We intend to have our finals on 3rd January 2026. It will be a Saturday. Maybe to remind you is that the preliminaries at the county level are only intended to select people who are going to represent that particular chiefdom at the finals. And we don't give so many prizes at that level, but also we usually give something, a token, to help somebody get some painkillers and then maybe soap. And for that matter, therefore, number 1 in both categories, tipper and mountain, will walk away with 100,000 shillings. Number 2, 80,000. Number 3, 60,000. Number 4, 40,000. And number 5 will pocket 20,000 for painkillers and so on. For those who will be selected to come at the finals on 3rd, I want to remind you once again about the prizes that we give. Number 1 in both categories walks out with a brand new motorcycle. I think Mr. Isa Bogere can give us the price because he's near those businesses. Number 2 will walk away with 2 million. I mean number 2 in both categories. Number 3, 1 million. Number 4, 500,000. Number 5, 300,000. And all finishers, even if you didn't get any number among the 5, but you have finished the race, you will get some 50,000 to go and buy Panadol and some soap and maybe a bottle of water. At a level, irrespective of the number that comes up, we only take 3 people from each category to come and represent that county at the finals. Somebody talked about women. We have that program, but just because we didn't have enough time to prepare, we shall have the women tussle it out in the next edition, that is next year. As far as the theme is concerned, it is an order from the Chabazinga that the theme remains like that of football for this year, because this is something that we want to fight to see that even Buna comes the required level of early pregnancies. Baba says the theme still remains: men are the pillars in stopping early pregnancies amongst the younger ladies or girls. If I'm not mistaken, those were the questions and I've answered. The last one was from Mr. Bruno. What was it? Can you remind me?